The CORSAIR RM850e is an exceptional power supply unit that offers a plethora of features and an impressive performance. With its fully modular design, you can easily customize your setup and improve cable management, ensuring a tidy and efficient build. The low-noise operation is a standout feature, providing a quiet computing experience without compromising on power delivery. This PSU boasts an impressive 850-watt capacity, more than enough for most high-end gaming rigs and content creation workstations. It's ATX 3.1 and PCIe 5.1 compliant, future-proofing your build and ensuring compatibility with the latest hardware. The Cybernetics Gold Efficiency Rating is a testament to its energy efficiency, reducing power consumption and keeping your electricity bills low. The 105-degree C-rated capacitors are a highlight, offering enhanced durability and reliability, especially in demanding environments. The modern standby mode is a clever addition, allowing your PC to wake up quickly from sleep, saving time and improving overall system responsiveness. In terms of build quality, the CORSAIR RM850e is top-notch. The sleek black design with the CORSAIR logo adds a touch of elegance to your setup. The included 12V-2x6 cable is a convenient feature, providing ample power to your components and ensuring a stable and reliable connection. Overall, the CORSAIR RM850e is an excellent choice for anyone looking to upgrade their power supply. It offers a perfect blend of performance, efficiency, and reliability, ensuring your system runs smoothly and quietly. With its impressive features and build quality, it's a power supply that will serve you well for years to come.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.